got the Norwegian Breakaway in Bermuda today. It's a big ship. This is the slide on the Breakaway. They have a couple of different slides that goes down to this pool. Here's the main pool area on the main deck of the Breakaway. Got a couple of hot tubs on each corner. You got the kiddie pool and the kids area on the back of the boat. Here's another view of the slides. Here's the mini golf up here. You also have the rope obstacle course. Got mini golf by the sea. Here's Margaritaville. Got the Breakaway at night, hanging out in Bermuda.